sneaking up on him. And I hope he don't make a jump and hurt him on that glass.
So he sees a bird outside?
Yeah, he wants it bad.
He does, doesn't he? Hey, kitty.
Don't bother me, I'm busy.
Look at that tail twitch.
Yeah.
Oh, funny. He's excited.
He's talking to it.
Do you have a bird? Huh?
I think he said, uh-huh.
I know.
Kitty, kitty.
What, kitty? Meow. What? What? You got your bird? No, he's back on bird watch. Poor kitty. Meow. 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 Okay, kitty.